Emergency Management Agency. All residents of Ponyville, Canterlot, and the Everfree Forest are required to take shelter immediately. It has been confirmed that the Cloudsdale Rainbow Factory has been abducting fleas and transforming them into rainbow material. Rainbows are now prohibited in all areas, as they may pose a threat to the safety of Equestria. Anyone in Cloudsdale should immediately evacuate to a safer location.